Are you tired of manually tracking payment dates for your bills? Learn how to set an expected payment date in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. First, open your bill, then access the expected payment date option, and finally, save the changes. Let me show you exactly how. First, go ahead and open Zoho Books in your browser. Then click on Purchases in the left sidebar. Now click on Bills to see the list of bills. Click on the bill dated 28 June 2026 to open it. Then click on the 3-dot menu icon. From that menu, select Expected Payment Date. Now click on the 31st to set the expected payment date. Then type any relevant notes in the Notes field. Click on Save to apply the changes. Verify the update. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.